I got to do all this prep work first.
Not ignoring you. I was listening. No, I was not. You just used the wrong words.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm good at that.
You used the wrong words. It confused me.
What should I have said? Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I better not say what I was going to say. There'll be all kinds of people saying that what an asshole I am.
Yeah, only selective assholism. You're not always an ass, but when you are, you're really good at it.
Practice makes perfect. Right?
Yeah. What you gonna do?
40 years of being an ass, get good at it.
No, you should. I've perfected being a bitch, so we're in good shape. What you about to do, and why?
I'm about to weld a nut onto this broken bolt and try to get it out. So hopefully me welding a nut on it, it'll come out.
Okay,
We'll find out.
we'll find out. So, what kind of welder is that you're using?
The Miller.
No, is it smart ass? Is that
See right there.
is that stick or TIG or is TIG? Okay, okay. You knew what my you knew what I was asking, but you knew what I meant.
Yeah, but this is more fun.
You ass. Do you have to wait for it to cool down enough?
A little bit.
Okay.
Hopefully it'll come loose and not just break off again.
What'd you spray on there?
That stuff in that can.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Master Blaster. Master Blaster 50. Not to be confused with a masturbator. I see you laughing. What's the difference?
Is it moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
Okay.
I just don't want it to ball up. That's why I was going back and forth with it, trying to get some of that penetrating oil in there.
Mm. Okay. This was exciting.
Wasn't it? I mean, okay.
Good job.
Look, broken bolt.